This is a quick overview of the F618 desk lamp, or as the manual calls it, cantilever bracket plane lamp with timing function. It's very maneuverable. As far as the power modes, right now it's on the lowest power, and I'll just show you where it gets to as it goes up. Pretty bright. The color temperature is adjustable with the button that has the M on it. Currently this is at the coolest temperature, but if I go through them, this is a lot warmer, and this is in the middle there. And it says the color temperature is from 6,500, apparently this is 6,500, and this would be 3,000, and this would be somewhere in the middle. It doesn't specify in the manual. I don't know how accurate those are gonna be, and I can't tell you the lumens that are coming out of this. I think it's 84 LEDs, but it seems really bright. Way more light than you're gonna need. But that's great for if you wanna light things from a distance also, which is sometimes advisable. I like to light from above when I'm on Zoom calls. If we go to the really high settings, watch this, off. It always fades up and fades down, which is actually kind of nice. And now would be a good time to mention that it has a memory function, so it'll remember the last setting that it's on. So you don't have to keep resetting where you like it to be. For the timing function, it's got a little clock at the top here. And if you tap that once, it'll turn white, and that will turn it off in 60 minutes. And if you tap it again, it'll turn blue, and that will turn it off in 30 minutes. Now this lamp was sent to me for free to review, but I'm not being told to say anything. They just want me to make a video to hear my thoughts. So here it is. I actually dig this thing. Getting it into position is super easy. To take a light with traditional video equipment from one position like here to there, that takes like a lot of maneuvering and repositioning. So I really appreciate it for that. If I'm doing tabletop shoots of something like food, for instance, these would be phenomenal to have on the edge of the table. In fact, that's what I think I'm gonna use it for. I'm gonna keep it on this table, which I have this table to do tabletop photography on. And I think I'm gonna keep it clamped to it. And then whatever I'm shooting, I'll just have this guy over it, able to be positioned wherever I need it, whether I need a little bit of shine. I don't know if I'm gonna be using it as like a primary light, but for like a detail light or to get the shine just right on a product or an item of some sort, then this is really cool. So those are my thoughts.